Hello everyone, this is a video about how to take apart the LG Chocolate. The version I will be working on today is the VX8500. Probably can't read it there, but oh well. On the back of the phone, after you remove the battery, there will be 4 screws. You will need a very, very small screwdriver to get them out, but you should be able to. What I like to do is, because the screws are all kind of different sizes, just take them out and set them off to the side on like a piece of paper in the order or something that they came in, so that way you'll get it right when you go to put them back. Now that you've done that, to get the phone open, you'll have to pry along the crack of it, not this line here. See that other tiny one right there? Just put your fingernail in and it'll take a little while, but you'll be able to get it. You'll hear a clicking noise as you go around. Be gentle with it because you don't want to end up breaking the phone. Okay, now that you've got it to this part, pull, but be very careful, and just pull very gently up. Now you're going to see that there's a little red wire in there. You are going to want to try to disconnect that if you can, just like so, because that goes to your rear speaker. If you can't get it now, then gently pull the back piece up until it just pops out, and then just pull it out like that. Now that you've done that, you will see that there are 4 screws on the circuit board of it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just continue on to remove those, and like earlier, set them off to the side so that they're in order. Now that you've gotten those screws removed, the back will simply lift off. But be extremely careful, as there is a ribbon cable that connects the front of the phone to the back. I'll explain how to remove this soon. So what you're going to want to do is just very, very gently flip this over like so. You'll see that it's connected here by what looks like tape. I've already taken this apart before, and I removed the blue tape. You might have it, you might not. Anyways, be very gentle with it, and just grab it, and what you're going to want to do is take it and just gently rock it out from where it's held, and it'll come out just like so. Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to continue on to disassemble the phone. To do this, there's going to be 6 screws on here. Now you're going to have to lift up these 2 rubber pads here, one there and one there, but we'll get to that. So just continue on to unscrew all of the screws that you can. And like before, set them off in order on the side. You might need to slide this piece down to get that last screw out, or that last, there. Okay, now for up here, you can, to get the rubber pads out, you can use your screwdriver, but that's kind of hard to do. So just use anything that's really thin and easy to get in there to just pry them out. What I like to use is I'll have an X-Acto knife or whatever you want to call it ready, and just stick it in there and pry up, and it should pop right out. It can take a couple of times because they use some glue there. You can now get to those last 2 screws. And again, set them in order. Now that you've done that, you're going to come to the task of popping this panel off. First, slide that up. Now, to do this, it might be kind of tricky. What I like to use is that X-Acto knife again, or a really fine screwdriver or something, because you're just going to need to fit right into this crack right up here, right above the silver, but not in the silver, and pry up. And it should basically lift right out. And just go all around. Ow, that kind of hurt. Oh well. Just go all around it and pry up. Again, be very gentle because there is sensitive stuff under here. It can take a while. There we go. And it's out. Now it's going to be held on a little at the camera, so just rock it back and forth until it pops off. And there you go. You have just disassembled the LG Chocolate VX8500. Now, I don't know why you would want to disassemble it. I don't know if you need to like clean it out, get some work done, replace your own ribbon cable or whatever, because these were a common flaw with them. Take out your camera, what? But anyways, that's how you do it. If you want to take out your camera, you just pry up on this little pad here, and it'll pop right off, then you can pull the camera off right there. To put the phone back together, just, I don't know, reverse the video if you can, or just do all the steps in reverse. And thank you. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed this.